where the Jews and the white people live. They moved on up to
Every
Syosset.
time I can't even put her on. She ain't right.
Okay? Then he went out there, yard of hot tub. He was having fucking parties. He was living in the lodge. The next time you saw Greg, it was like, oh?
He changed now.
He was acting like a little white boy, like a little bitch, like a little white bitch.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know, trying to act all high minded. Yeah, I live in Syosset. We ain't in the hood no more. We don't live in the hood no more. Everything was
It's
all.
gotta
He
go.
was young when he left, so wasn't he? Was he
Yeah,
like
but
15?
but
you have
see-
to change a little bit though. I mean,
But see,
what-
Greg-
you
No,
know,
but we're not the hood.
Yeah,
Lakevie's
but
not the
we're
hood.
not the hood. When I say the hood, I say
I know,
I mean the neighborhood. I don't mean
right, the neighborhood.
I don't mean the hood like hood rascals. We
Right.
never none of us were never hood rascals. Nah. I mean you got them in the neighborhood.
No, we had an occasional
But
girl.
if you look at the people in Lakeview,
I was always looking for the hood rat girl.
yeah, you know.
You what?
Oh, I love hood rat
Yeah,
girls.
yeah, yeah.
There's something about hood rat girls
Yeah,
always
they-
like.
In your face, they fight.
Well, they in your face, and they also,
They're very accommodating.
What do you know?
Well, that's not on. You're not recording
I'm
that.
Okay,
gonna
turn it
on.
off. That's so rude. No,
but it's true. Yeah, a hood
Right,
rat
I
girl.
ain't saying nothing to you.
you can do that.
Turn it
A
off.
hood rat girl
She's
is.
gonna suck that thing tight. What is that? I don't understand. What is she gonna do? Press stop.
First of all,
Tell me.
some of them have quality. They have cash back.
No, the thing with hood rat girls are, and I said a lot of them, like a lot of black women,
Yeah.
have not been treated nice, and they have not had
Okay.
certain opportunities for certain things. They just haven't. It doesn't matter whether they got a drug dealer that's a baller that's buying them stuff.
But then they can just say no.
No, when you look at people grow up differently, and a lot of people that you see that have issues or that whatever, when you talk to an addict or whatever, they came from
Her
like.
father wasn't there.
Well,
What?
they came from. They did. A lot of them came from a neglectful background or some kind of dysfunction. Like we all had dysfunction, but some people have it more than others. So if you show people a little kindness that had a hard time, I mean, you didn't have a hard time growing up. I didn't have a hard time growing up. I mean, I wasn't rich, but I had what I needed. Your father was probably more upper middle class than my father. My father was a blue collar worker. Your father worked at Kings Point as a recruiter, a teacher, something. Whatever he was doing there, it was deemed as a professional. When he held a spot that the average black man did not have. Right? Now that's the truth.
Ain't nothing wrong with
Just
that.
like Pam, but I mean, I'm talking about the time.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the time. I'm not talking about 2011. I'm talking about back then. A lot of people were just blue collar workers and they were making it and doing their thing. Like Pam's father. He was the first executive in New York Telephone. Pam's father was making white man's money in the 70s. Honestly, he was.
Why'd he stay in Lakeview?
They moved from Harlem out here. They came from Harlem out here. They didn't live on Long Island. They moved from Harlem. This was a big move, If you lived in Harlem, you moved to Long Island, you got your own house, you're doing good. Why not Lakeview? Back then, Lakeview had a lot of middle class people that were young, new professionals. You had the musicians. Lakeview was originally built